Today I will be showing you how to make fried pickles. First, grab your pickles of choice. I prefer to use whole milk. Grab 1 cup of flour. This is totally optional, but you also have the option of using sea salt or black pepper. Make sure to grab a small bowl. Don't forget a frying pan. And lastly, vegetable oil. Pour milk into the cup. Then grab 2 paper towels. Place the pickles on top of the 1 paper towel sheet. Then place the opposite paper towel on top of the pickles to let them dry out for a minute or so. Pour a small amount of vegetable oil onto the pan. Then turn the stove on to medium heat. So now I am just simply dipping the pickles into the flour and then placing them into the milk. Then I just switch over to the milk, and once all the milk is soaked onto the pickle, I just place it back into the flour. Once you've done that, you can start placing the pickles onto the pan. Once you've taken the pickles off the pan, place them onto a paper towel to take all the greases off. Grab a new plate and enjoy!